Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us see 5 different bread toast recipes. First we are going to see bread semolina toast. To this add the required amount of salt, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1 or 2 green chilies chopped, 1 medium-sized chopped tomato, a handful of coriander leaves chopped, and 3/4 cup of curd. Mix everything well. You have to get a nice thick batter, so mix it properly. Here our batter is ready. Let this rest for around 10 minutes. By the time, let us take the breads. This is sandwich bread. I am going to apply butter on all the breads. I have taken sandwich bread here, but you can use any kind of bread. You can use ghee instead of butter, but if you don't have butter and ghee, you can go for oil, but don't apply oil. Just while toasting, you can add oil. Now take a bread, spread some semolina mix on one side of it. Give a nice thick coating. The breads are ready. Now let us start toasting this. Place the semolina side on the pan first. The bread will get toasted quickly, so we have to concentrate on the semolina side. Turn either sides and cook properly. Our bread rava toast is ready. We can take it out. This will taste so good with tomato sauce or green chutney. Our first recipe is over. We'll move to the next one. The next recipe will be cheese garlic bread toast. For this, take around 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. To this, add around 6 finely chopped garlics. Saute this for around 2 to 3 minutes. The garlic should not turn brown, so before that you have to switch off the flame. This way you will get the flavor of the garlic in the butter. So the butter has melted, we can take this out. Our garlic butter is ready. Set this aside. Next we are going to toast the breads. I have used ordinary milk bread. If you want, you can go for wheat bread or sandwich bread. Turn both sides and toast the breads properly. The breads are toasted. We can take it out now. Now spread the melted butter along with the garlic on the breads. On this, now we are going to add the grated mozzarella cheese. The more cheesy you want, the more you can add the mozzarella cheese. Now let us top this with some oregano and chili flakes. Just sprinkle oregano and the chili flakes over the mozzarella cheese. We have already toasted the bread, so don't need to toast it again. Just we are going to melt the mozzarella cheese. Once this mozzarella cheese gets melted, we are going to top it with more mozzarella cheese. Keep it in low flame and close this and cook till the cheese melts. The cheese has melted, we can take it out now. So the cheese garlic bread toast is ready. We'll move on to the next recipe. Next is sweet corn and potato bread toast. For this we need 2 cups of boiled and mashed potatoes. To this add a cup of boiled sweet corn, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, a small piece of chopped ginger, 1 or 2 chopped green chilies, a handful of coriander leaves chopped, the required amount of salt, quarter teaspoon of hing, that is asafoetida, half a teaspoon of chili powder and half a teaspoon of garam masala. Give a nice mix. Mixing is almost over. The masala part is ready. Set this aside. Next we'll take the breads. These are whole wheat breads. You can use any kind of bread. Now let us shape this. Breads are ready. Now spread the masala part at one side of the bread. The breads are now ready to get toasted. Now spread some butter in a pan. Now place the masala part of the bread first. This is because the bread part will get cooked quickly. So we have to give enough time for the masala part to get cooked. Turn both sides and cook properly. This is ready. We can take it out now. The potato and corn bread toast is ready. We'll move on to the next recipe. The next one will be bread pizza. For this, first we are going to toast the bread. So spread some butter in a pan. Now place the breads and toast them. Toasting the bread separately will give an extra taste for the dish. Toasting is over. Let us take the bread out. Next we are going to fry the paneer. So pour some oil in a pan. To this add around 1 cup of chopped cottage cheese, that is paneer. While cooking, paneer will leave some water, so we have to fry the paneer separately like this. All the water has evaporated, we can take the paneer out. Paneer is ready. Set this aside. Next we are going to make pizza sauce. Take 2 tomatoes. Pour around 1 cup of water. Boil this for around 10 minutes. This is after 10 minutes. We can take the tomatoes out and peel the skin. Take off the skin and put them in a mixie jar. Now grind it as fine as possible. Tomato puree is ready. Set this aside. Now put some butter in a pan, around 1 teaspoon of butter. To this add 3 to 4 chopped garlic and a small piece of chopped onions. Saute them well. Saute them for a few minutes and then add the tomato puree. Because this is a homemade tomato puree, this has to get reduced, so close and cook for around 2 minutes. The puree has almost got reduced. Now add 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. To this add half a teaspoon of oregano and half a teaspoon of chili flakes. Add the required amount of salt and saute this for a few minutes. The pizza sauce is ready. Next we'll get ready with the breads. These are the toasted breads. Spread the prepared sauce on the bread. Mix the toppings, chopped onions, chopped capsicums, chopped tomatoes, fried paneer, finally the grated mozzarella cheese. So the breads are ready to get toasted in a pan. Now spread some butter in a pan. Place the breads carefully. Once the cheese gets melted, everything will stick onto the bread. Now close this and cook till the cheese melts. The very yummy bread pizzas are ready. We can take it out. Next we are going to see masala bread sandwich. For this, let us prepare the masala first. Pour some oil in a pan. To this, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 or 2 chopped green chilies, 1 big onion chopped. Give a nice saute. Let us add some salt into this. This will make the onions get cooked quickly. Once the onions are translucent, we can add half a cup of grated carrots. Saute the carrots for about 2 to 3 minutes and then add 1 teaspoon of crushed peppercorns. Saute this till the carrots are cooked. Once the carrots are cooked, we can add 1 cup of boiled and mashed potatoes. Give a nice mix. Add the required amount of salt and a little water to make everything get combined. Cook till the masalas come together, and this is perfect. Now let us add a handful of chopped coriander leaves. Give a nice mix. The masala part is over. Set this aside. Next we'll move on to the breads. This is sandwich bread. You can use any kind of bread. Apply ghee or butter on one side of the breads. Breads are ready. Now let us toast this. Place the ghee side on the tawa. Over this, I am going to add mozzarella cheese. Now the prepared masala. If you want this to be cheesy, add some more mozzarella cheese on this. Now close this with another bread. Here the ghee side is facing up. Now let us close this and cook till the mozzarella cheese melts. Turn both sides and cook properly. So delicious cheesy bread sandwich is ready. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked all the bread recipes. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.